How to fix phone not allowed for voice Samsung S8. If your Samsung Galaxy S8 is displaying a phone not allowed for voice error, it might be related to issues with the device's network connection or activation status. Here are some steps you can try to resolve this problem. 1. Check network connection asterisk. Make sure that your phone has a stable and active cellular network connection. Check if the signal bars are showing, and you are not in an area with poor network coverage. 2. Restart your phone asterisk. Sometimes, restarting your phone can help resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your Samsung S8, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. 3. Check SIM card asterisk. Ensure that the SIM card is properly inserted into your phone. If possible, try inserting the SIM card into another compatible device to verify if the issue persists. 4. Update software asterisk. Ensure that your phone software is up to date. Check for and install any available software updates. 5. Check for network lock asterisk. If your phone is locked to a specific carrier, make sure it is unlocked. If you are using a different carrier SIM card, you may need to unlock the phone from the original carrier. 6. Contact carrier support asterisk. Reach out to your mobile carrier's customer support. They can check the activation status of your phone and assist with any network-related issues. 7. Factory reset. Caution, as a last resort, you may consider performing a factory reset on your device. However, be aware that this will erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your important information before proceeding. If the issue persists after trying these steps, it's recommended to contact Samsung support or your mobile carrier for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the details of your situation.